Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to factory reset a TV with Fire TV operating system. Before we start, it's important to note that this process will erase all data from the TV and leave it like it just came out of the box. That means accounts, downloads, preferences, and any other files on the TV will be deleted. Like I said, it'll be like brand new, as if we just took it out of the box, turned it on, and ready to set up again. You do this mainly if your TV is acting up or really bogged down and needs a factory reset to wipe everything and start fresh, or if you're giving it away or selling it so the new owner can set it up from scratch too. That said, first thing is to go to Settings here on the right. Inside, we're going to go down to Device and Software. And within Device and Software, if we scroll all the way down, we have the option Reset to Default Settings. As you can see, this deletes all personal data and downloaded content from the TV. So we click on it. As you can see, a message appears with the same information I just mentioned. The TV will return to default settings and will lose all information, both login credentials and preferences. Once you're sure, go here and click Reset. As you can see, it now shows that the TV is being reset to default settings. Now we wait a moment. As you'll see, the TV will restart several times until it finally powers back on, and after a couple minutes, it's fully reset and ready to set up from scratch. Alright guys, that wraps up the video. As always, I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. That's all from me. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.